Aye, we give you the facts. It's not what you think. Popeye Newsling, Young King, 1 yard, bless.
Good morning, Popeye. Grandma watch Popeyes every morning and every night.
Greetings, viewers and subscribers. So today, we are going to be speaking with Rudolph. Rudolph is from the parish of Westmoreland, and he was involved in a traffic accident in Trinidad in 2015. As a result of this traffic accident, Rudolph is disabled from his waist down. He has to use a wheelchair to get around. There were some civil proceedings in the courts in Trinidad, and Rudolph, he was awarded a total of $1,150 Trinidad dollars. That is equivalent to approximately 25 million Jamaican dollars. The final payment was made to lawyers acting on Rudolph's behalf in February this year. So all the money was paid out by the defendants. But guess what? Up until now, Rudolph, he has not seen 1 red cent of that money. Rudolph, he is suffering, and it's his mother who is caring for him. She does day jobs. We are going to be chatting with Rudolph and his mother. Now, in the last part of this video, we are also going to be reading a letter that was sent to Rudolph by his lawyer in Trinidad. You're going to want to watch the entire interview. And Mrs. Kamina Johnson Smith, the Minister of Foreign Affairs for Jamaica. Please, madam, please, this young man needs help. Him not beg nothing. Him just need help. The money is there for him already. All it needs is some diplomatic contact for this young man to get his money. May I beg you, help him. So here is the interview with Rudolph. Morning, sir. What's your name?
Rudolph Smith.
And you are, how old are you?
49.
And you are from Lennox Bigwoods in
Darliston.
Darliston. Okay. So you went away to Trinidad. You remember which year you went to Trinidad?
2013.
And you go up there and you started working? What kind of work you were doing?
Mason and security.
Mason and security. All right. Something happened 2015. You can remember what happened?
Yes, sir.
Which month 2015? You remember?
October
2015.
Yeah, October.
All right. What time of day was this?
About 5 in the evening.
5. So a broad daylight?
Yeah.
All right. What happened? Tell me what happened.
Well, I was crossing the road to go to our next work. And then it's like some I stand up, cause you have like a ladder in a road, like some ladder where you stand up on the ladder. So I was standing there, and like someone who that say, look back. So when if you look back now, I want van me see.
So you were in the road or on the roadside?
On the road side.
You were on the roadside?
Yeah.
So is on the roadside the vehicle lick you? Or you were crossing the road?
I was crossing the road, but yeah, I was crossing the road.
So you got hit, and then what happened? You remember what happened after you got hit?
Yeah, the van hit me from back here, and then after I get the lick, so I knock out.
Yes.
For a little while, and then after me knock out now, me give
Answer the phone.
No,
cut it down. Yeah, cut it down. Yes.
So I was there, and then me see enough people start coming around now and I ask, what happened? So me call my supervisor.
So you were conscious enough to call someone?
After a while.
On the ground, on the scene?
Yeah.
Okay.
After a while.
So the vehicle that hit you, it stopped?
I don't really know.
Okay.
I don't really know.
Okay.
A whole heap of enough people was
so
there.
So you call your supervisor and... Yes.
Like somebody was there. Somebody there called the supervisor, ask if me know where me is. And me say, yeah, me supervisor, they out by the other side.
Yes.
So they give me, and me give them the number.
And then call
my supervisor, and my supervisor come.
Yes.
And then after the supervisor come now, the ambulance come for me. And
Yes.
them clean me up and carry me to the hospital.
Okay. And how long, you remember how long you spent at the hospital?
I was here from October to December.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and then after I come out
So,
now,
yes, go ahead.
after I come out now, December, I used to go back and forth.
To the hospital.
To
and-
the hospital.
So let me ask you, when you come out of the hospital, were you able to walk?
No.
So what kind of injuries they say you have?
They say the spine.
Oh, you got a spinal
Yeah,
injury.
the spine and my back break.
Oh, your back did break in the
Yeah, my
accident?
back break.
Okay.
Now to my back break and see this hand like it going now.
Okay.
And this foot now, it may have a,
Metal in there?
no, it 2 foot break, you know.
Oh, okay.
And me cripple out from my waist.
So you're not able to walk.
No.
You have to use that
Yeah.
wheelchair to
To
move
move,
around.
yeah.
So when you were in Trinidad, you said December 2015. When you came back to Jamaica?
2018.
Okay, so you were in Trinidad all along
All
getting
along,
treatment.
yeah.
All right. You know if them ever find the person who
Yeah.
was in the accident with you?
Yes, sir.
And what happened with the person?
When the lawyer said cause after me in the hospital, one lady come and said she have a friend when they can make them come check up on me, and then like if me forget anything, them would help me for it.
Sort it out. Okay.
Yeah, get the lawyer.
So the friend was the lady who talked to you. That lady friend was a liar.
No, she was a nurse.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
she talked to the lawyer,
Yes.
and the lawyer sends somebody come
And talk to you.
Yeah.
All right. When you know if the person was ever charged for anything?
No, I don't know if they ever charged.
Because I heard you talking about court. What kind of matter was before the court in Trinidad?
This matter.
So what? Is that they sue the person? The lawyer?
No, we go to the court and the lawyer now they have to find the person who do it.
Yes.
But they said it is a person. The owner for the bus
Yes.
was that they have a place like a store.
Yes.
So like how you would have Lasco.
Yes.
So they have
So the person own a company?
company.
Yes.
Yeah, so after a while now they talk and them say them have to go sue.
Sue the person.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
And then after a while now after a while when we done there now the lawyer now say he used to look after me.
The lawyer used to look after you?
Yeah.
Yes.
And him find everything for me.
Okay.
So after a while now he say he can't
Continue.
no, cause if him feel continue when me feel get any money, everything I go back to him.
Okay.
So he say he can't work any, so me can him a go try send me out.
Send you to Jamaica?
Yeah.
So that was why you come out 2018?
Yeah.
Okay.
So after a while,
So all along that matter was before the court. It's a civil court. The lawyer try get some money
get
for you.
some money, yes sir.
Okay. You know, so when you leave Trinidad, the lawyer never get no money yet?
No.
The case never done yet?
No, never finished.
You know how the case finalized? You know what happened? Since you come to Jamaica, you hear nothing about the case?
Yeah, in December.
2021?
Yeah, the lawyer called me now and told me that the insurance going to pay some money now.
Did the lawyer tell you how much money?
What thing was 1,150,000.
Okay. That's what the lawyer told you?
Yeah.
The lawyer show you any document for say that I go pay or that pay?
Yeah, them send some.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So after a while now, them know the lawyer now in like in the first part of December, they call me and say they're gonna pay some money. So I'm supposed to get all the bank statement and so forth, like my bank number. So me get them, send them everything to them.
Yes.
Then after further down in December now, they call me back and then tell me them can't get no US to send to me, and Them have to
Who
use
who
the
call
lawyer.
The lawyer tell you say.
Yeah, then
can't get no US.
US.
If send to you to
Yeah.
your account.
Yeah. So I'll go again and down in January they call me back and if me can't get nobody when me can't get some US. So me say no.
Yes, you keep saying them. Is the
No,
party
the lawyer.
Is the lawyer call you? All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Yes.
And then in February now, the lawyer called me back and asked me if me can get to the High Commissioner. And
Off where?
Trinidad and
Yes.
Tobago.
Yes.
And if I could ask him to...
So the lawyer is staying in Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah, he's in...
And I asking you to get in touch with the High Commissioner in Trinidad and Tobago?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And if I could get in touch with the High Commissioner and then would ask him if he could assist me to get the money to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And that's where the money would be easier to me, to get to me.
Okay.
So, because he can't get no
So
money.
all this time the lawyer tell you how much money you were supposed to get after him go draw out his one?
920
$1,000 US dollars.
Yeah, no.
Jamaican.
Yeah, no.
Trinidad money.
Yeah.
Okay. So you say February the lawyer tell you that. So did you contact the High Commission?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I called the High Commission and he said yes he can
Hold on, you call the High Commission directly?
directly.
Yeah, okay.
And he said he can get the US. He can assist me to get the money to me, but I would have to sign the money to his name up there and then he would have to send it to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Let me ask you something. Who give you the High Commission number?
Who did give me the
Is that the lawyer?
No.
Okay, you research and find the number.
Yeah.
Okay, that me the one. Alright, go ahead. Uh-huh.
And when I tell him now he's going to send it to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Yes.
So I was there now. I give him, he said I'd have to sign the
So did you
thing.
eventually sign anything?
Yeah.
How you sign it? What you get? Them send you a document and you sign
Yeah,
it?
then send me the
documents?
yeah.
Yes. Uh-huh.
And said I must sign it. So I sign it.
You remember the name of the High Commission who you spoke with?
I don't remember cause I no read all the while me talk to the anytime you call the secretary
Yes.
you always get.
Okay, go ahead.
So me always call to talk to him, but me have the secretary, me know him name Miss Lynch.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is in Trinidad.
Yeah, in Trinidad.
Alright, so in February, they say you have to sign the High Commission tell us if you sign over the money to him.
Yeah.
And you did that.
I did that.
And what happened after that?
I know I can't get anything.
You have any document to say you did sign up the money to him? You have anything left here? That
Yeah.
you have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, go and see them.
Yeah.
So you call back since February? You call nobody say anything to you since February?
No, but Thursday when I was in the hospital.
Thursday gone?
Tuesday, yeah, I was in the hospital.
Uh-huh.
And the lawyer called me
Uh-huh.
and asked me if me no get anybody can. Like, why if he said the money is in his account.
But hold on. So the lawyer still have the money? That's what the lawyer said?
Yes, that he said.
So you never sign over something to the High Commission?
To the High Commission.
So the High Commission not get it?
No, he said the High Commissioner never some little problem with the High Commission and so the High Commissioner never collect the money.
So you have a bank account in Jamaica?
Yeah, I have my bank.
And what the lawyer said, the money can't transfer to the bank account?
He can't send it.
So the lawyer said him can't wire transfer it?
No.
But him say him still have the money?
Yeah, he's got him.
That money would amount to how much Jamaica, you know?
No, I never.
But 900 and something thousand
Oh, yeah.
Trinidad and Tobago dollars.
Yeah.
Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Okay. So the lawyer called you Thursday, you say?
Thursday gone.
Thursday was the 15th.
15, yes. Sir.
And the lawyer tell you, say, him still have the money.
Yes, sir. And my sister is in Trinidad too. And when he was calling me, he never get to me at the same time because I was in the hospital. So he called my sister and tell my sister if we not get anything, any assistance get to.
All right, let me ask you. The lawyer is saying that there is some problem with the High Commission, so the High Commissioner get the money, right?
No, they not get.
What is the lawyer saying you could do to get the money?
Him say young thing me can do like me can get to the Prime Minister.
To do what?
And ask the Prime Minister to Prime Minister and to see if he could get out the money out here.
Oh.
Him can't get it.
So he's saying that you should try get to Prime Minister
Get to the
Andrew
Prime
Holness,
Minister, yeah.
and then government head to government head,
Yeah.
they will be able to transfer the money. That's what the lawyer is saying.
That he told me.
That sounds strange, but I don't know what, maybe Trinidad law different, you know. So, but in the meantime, you are suffer.
Yeah.
And your mother alone,
She
I go out and do the little work. Them
yes, yeah, right now she go if you go wash some people clothes out of the house.
Come here, Miss Ina, come talk to me a little bit. Come stand upside your son and talk to me a little bit. How you doing?
Not too bad, you know.
How you coping with everything?
Oh, by the help of God, me take time I go on with good friends around, you know.
Yeah.
Everything so my time.
So are you alone?
Me alone.
I care for
Me
you.
alone, father, me alone.
And you
Don't
go out
pick me
and
up.
what kind of work you go out and wash and
Go wash.
yes.
Go wash and sometimes I'll hand over me there.
Yeah.
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 People know me and know say me honest, so
Yes.
and they know my situation, so sometimes they will call.
Are you hear that, Messina?
Ah,
Really? Turn on, let me see that, Messina. Lord have mercy. Eh? No, sir. A long time I don't see your stay, so.
true.
And it really look nice. Eh? So, Miss Ina, how I tell you?
so I don't know if you go do X-ray on him back, cause the over Trinidad when you do the work on him back over there when him send him out.
Yes.
Me came my clinic, so when go there and say the pin in him back burst.
Yes.
So I have to go do an X-ray. I have
Yes.
to go do X-ray and then find out so the pin burst. So then say if you do a surgery.
Yes.
Come all a town, pay money, come all up there. If you come back down, cause the money if you pay for the surgery, me not have it.
So, how often you have to go to the hospital?
If you go every month.
Every month?
Every month if you go to change the jacket.
Yes.
And get, you have been children.
Yes, yes,
So if you go every month with him, go change it
yes,
and get him check up.
yes,
It's not easy because you have to get somebody to help him, have to lift him up.
Yes.
And can't move.
yes, yes, yes. And now you have to play
I mean, I feel
all kind of
everything.
role, nurse role.
Do everything. Sometimes, I can't even talk about it. Only God knows. Only God knows.
So you getting this money that help you hold it more.
Because him have him house down there, so he was still there. I have to make one, no one have to give him the bed.
Yes.
And that's how me sleep.
Oh, you sleeping at the city?
Yeah.
When he
Really?
come and that's how me sleep.
Yeah.
I will tell you a lie.
No, me believe you, Miss Ina. So since 2018, he has been sleeping in your bed and you are sleeping at the city.
Right, because for him house, when he go in there, try put up one house, you can't see it. And it was a medical plywood in they have there.
Yes,
But through him work now and, you know,
yes,
he start and they will want this patch and pull it down.
Yes.
Make up for him house. I think they work on hard for fix up if it's even one room.
yes,
For go in, because two part they calf they know.
yes,
And this happened to him.
yes,
Furniture and so they mash up on him something there.
yeah, yeah.
If you put it. And my husband dead from 2000 and, 2002.
I was about
Right,
Yeah,
Plucky. You
Plucky.
know him.
Plucky used to fix bike car.
Yeah.
Yeah, Plucky used to fix bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes,
One
yes.
day, and I know help.
When did the crash and dead, no?
Shoot.
Shoot, oh, I forgot that then they shoot
Yeah,
him.
they shoot him.
Yeah, which part did it happen again? That'd be nice. Why? Where did it happen?
Kidmano.
Remember the time?
Kidmano.
Yeah, remember the time when they shoot Plucky? Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe I'll try.
Yeah.
Me used to raise fall, you know, and I can't see the one to cook out, they may have a work me there. And fall.
Everything.
Yes.
Fall sell out. I said, me have to sell the cow.
Since this
Since it come
since
up and down, because we
Wow.
can go town back and forth on a $6,000 taxi. Charge
Go
to come
serve.
and for go serve.
for go serve because of him alone him have to care.
Right.
Yeah.
And him have to come and
Come back for him.
and come back for him. And that's $6,000 each trip.
Each trip. And used to have to come down there every month.
Yes.
Every month. And sometimes in Tekki, me have to call a taxi.
Sometime
Rush
before
down.
the month.
You have to go down.
Call
I
taxi.
see the
private
belly
car.
right now. It's a swell. Now if you go, I don't know when for the money for go hospital now. You don't know what to do. See the hand.
Your belly as well.
Yeah, see the belly there. The belly.
If you buy one something again for him, he do the for no give to me can do.
Yeah.
Fleet.
Yeah,
Fleet,
them, man.
If I have
yeah.
one dose that if you no give me,
Yeah, you can't pass anything.
no 400 and
500, I feel now.
actually.
So, the last thing the lawyer is saying is that if the Prime Minister get involved,
Yeah,
you'll be able to get the money. Him
Yeah.
feel that is him last option.
yeah, that is.
Original stunt that thing.
If you see a general stunt.
Because I asked him why not send the money to his bank at Mobile.
And what him say?
Him said they go try. After he said.
What if I even look a bit on I didn't have to send him all at one
That's
time?
what
Yeah.
he said he was going to send it the money to come for
For card
And
from
it
But,
Then
so the lawyer tell us
Christmas-
I'm going to send him money in a 4 tranche.
yeah,
Right.
from the
Christmas is like inside, I'm
December,
gonna get the
January,
money.
February, March.
And up until now,
And
nothing.
Until now,
not even
nothing.
dollar. When he come out, nothing
They
whatsoever.
told me when I come down now, them a go.
Them send him out, you know, and so when him ask him over there, when the court call up, how him a go know? They say when the court a call up, they will send back for him.
And then I
And
send
they
back.
no send back. Him back and then so they may ask them come out here. Remember,
That means you're not even sure how much money
Money.
the court award.
Nobody not.
And him tell us you have 1 million. In the document, say,
Yes, to me pass, go through some paper.
go for the paper. Yeah, man, pass. Go for the papers.
Then send her by FedEx come in. Please sign paper, me then say, show me do it. Sign paper, send back over.
Yes.
Then put send out the money, all that. Christmas glad bliss, I go get something.
Yes.
Nothing whatsoever. From Christmas, the liar tell you say Christmas I come we get something for the Christmas. I know nothing.
I don't know, Christmas, one next Christmas I come in and get
Look,
the
you know the next one.
Oh, next one.
The one there does the some papers for the hospital.
Okay, so this are the it a show say by this a show say by order consent. Can't show everything, I have to go blur some of the thing, but it a show say this document it a show say you get 1.1 million 50,000 sum of so then have to pay the sum of 325,000 before November 30, 2021. So, and then the balance for pay, then for pay one next 275,000 by December 31, one next 275,000 by January, and one next 275,000 by February. So, this a document, the lawyer is supposed to get everything. So the law firm is Alexander, Jeremy and Company. Okay.
The head man there, you know. Like can you flex this over there too?
Yeah. I got 3 documents. See, the big documents can I look for anything what you sign here, so no.
Yeah.
Whole heap of document there, so.
Yeah, whole heap of
Then the paper when sign or they no bring
Oh,
it there.
okay.
yeah, money in the I one with money from
This?
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Looking for next.
No, the liar. Remember
Alex document. Alex document, you know that.
Yeah, that
Okay.
one.
So So this is the one where
Me sign.
what you sign. Rudolph Smith versus Trinity and others. Okay. And 1.1 million awarded. And okay. Yeah, man, yes, sir. I, Rudolph Smith, hereby authorize Philip A. Wilson and Company to pay over to the Jamaican High Commission in Trinidad and Tobago the sum of $915,000 for transmission to me in Jamaica. So you sign this from. You remember the date? Minus no date here. Remember the date when you sign it?
This it was in May.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think it was in May.
Okay.
All
right. Let me see what they want. May I go through the lawyer document here? Why the reason why they must say? They must say we write regard to your claim against the defendants above, and in particular to the order of the court by consent entered by whoever. Yes, so we have included all correspondence in relation to the settlement, which we strongly believe that had this matter go to trial, we may have some difficulty in arriving at a settlement agreed upon, given the facts of your accident. And said this matter was settled. All right. Let me see what steps them say them are trying to take. There are instances where persons were knocked down in situations like yours, and they got nothing or compensation that was very small, meaning that you are equally responsible as the defendants. Anyhow, the matter was settled by consent. So, as a matter of seeking your best interests, prefer to deal with this matter through the High Commission of Jamaica. The High Commission sought your interest before and have worked with us to the point where they were instrumental in you being examined in Jamaica by Dr. Samuels in order for this matter to reach where it is today. May we also remind you that when the court was growing increasingly impatient with your inability to be examined in Jamaica, it was only when we advised that we were in fact liaison with the Jamaican High Commission that we give more time, and the court indulging us with a little more tolerance as Master was ready to proceed with the assessment of damages. As pointed out to you before in our many conversations with you, we just require your authorization to pay the money over to the High Commission here in Trinidad in one payment in mid-March 2022 when all the money is received. The process of getting the money to you in Jamaica is proving to be very difficult one-on-one, which we do not have the time to devote to many telephone calls and WhatsApp messages from you and sources. We were advised by First Citizens Bank that they do not trade in Jamaican dollars. The money has to be wired to your bank in Jamaica in US dollars. They will convert the Jamaican dollars. United States dollars are in short supply in our country and have been so for some time. We are not prepared to hand over any of your money to anyone to purchase US currency on the black market to be sent to you in Jamaica. Although Mr. Wilson was told by your relative here in Trinidad that the money can be wired in Jamaican dollars, which was denied by First Citizens Bank. We are only prepared to address this matter through other channels to avoid breaking the laws and place ourselves in trouble. We now go on record as to the advice given to us by First Citizens Bank is sound and reliable. We have made several requests to the bank via their online private messages platform and by letter as recently as February 24th, 2022, with your medical report from Dr. Samuels showing your need for surgery in Jamaica. To date, we have had no meaningful response to your request. We have spoken to people at different levels to get your assistance, and the foreign exchange situation is the same. We are on a waiting list until funds are available. This is an indefinite position, and we need to move on from here. We cannot have an attorney at law go to the bank, stand in line to cash a check, collect cash, then proceed to MoneyGram, stand in line without paying that attorney for their time. We believe that your government representative here in Trinidad is well and best placed to assist you in this instance, as they have most capably done before. Kindly consent to us depositing your money with the High Commission here for transmission to you. Please also note that you can authorize payment to anyone you desire other than the High Commission. Our strong recommendation is for the Jamaican High Commission to be the chosen agent to seek your protection here in Trinidad. To do so, please sign a copy of this letter and return it to us via post. We are aware that you do not have a computer and scanner in order for you to scan and email documents to us. We have enclosed a copy for your ease. Therefore, in order to protect your business from getting outside, please sign the copy of this letter and return to us by post. You can even FedEx the copy of your letter back to us and we will pay the charges here in Trinidad. We are uncertain whether FedEx collects packages from the home of sends in Jamaica, but you can always find out. So this is a letter that the lawyers are saying that they're really having trouble
with
sending the money.
Yeah.
So there's no, reading the letter now I can understand what is happening. So this really needs some heads of government. So you said them talk to the Jamaican High Commission. And what problem then said them did have?
It's not the Jamaican the High Commission.
In Trinidad, yeah man. It would be the Jamaican High Commission in Trinidad.
Okay.
And what issue they said they were having?
They never told me when me asked them said them have a little itch.
Glitch in it.
Yeah, so after, as soon as them get through, we get the check and send it to the...
Alright, based on what I just read here, so you see, Miss Ina, it is my view that the lawyers them have the money. It is my view that because I was of a different view before I read this letter. That's why I mustn't come to conclusion, you see. But they are having some issues getting the money to him. But in the meantime, you are suffer.
Yeah.
So something must be done, and we can understand what the lawyer saying about going to cash the check and then somebody standing in line for MoneyGram and this and that and tear and all that. But at the end of the day, if they have to do that, they can do that and bill you for it, take you out of your money, charge you for it, and because you need the money.
But the lawyer called him Thursday and said him have the money in his account still.
Yeah. And I believe that.
Yeah.
So the Minister of Foreign Affairs must can get involved and assist.
I try to get them, we not call them, them say hold. And when you hold it, I'll hold it there, I'll hold my phone and nobody will answer.
Right you know. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, not even the Prime Minister yet, because the Prime Minister appoint people to deal with them things. So the Minister of Foreign Affairs should be able to assist you.
Yeah.
Because you are here suffering. So we are going to call upon the Minister of Foreign Affairs. You need beg them nothing, you know.
No,
it's not like you call nobody and say you want assistance.
Yeah.
The money is there for you already.
Yeah.
And for your money you need to get it.
Yeah, I just help for
get the money, get your money to you.
Yeah.
So,
yeah,
but that, how old the daughter is?
10-year-old.
And can't go to school.
Books and
you want book all kind of something.
And the money did they want to she can get a lot of that out of. Let me see how much money in a Jamaican that. Let me see, one Trinidad and Tobago dollar to Jamaican. That $22 Jamaican.
$22 for US.
For Trinidad dollar. Okay. So and you have 900 and call it 900. Let me put here 900. 900,000 times 22. A 19 million Jamaican dollar that you. 19 million Jamaican dollar did this of you.
I can't get it.
And you can't get in there and suffer.
It's even more thing.
Right now you do well with $1 million out of it.
Yeah, I could have finished if I even want a room.
Yeah.
My mother.
Your mother could have go back to sleep in her bed. Alright, so we're going to follow up with this, you see? We're going to follow up with this. We're going to load it up and we're going to follow up with it and we're going to try and see if you can get your money.
My money.
For your money, it was awarded. You never go out there and tell nobody if you lick you down.
Yeah.
But the accident happened and you are in a state now where you need all of the help you can get. Your mother, she have to go out there and do all kind of work.
I have to go out there do.
Yeah.
Right now I work, I have to go.
Yeah. Alright, so we are going to chat some more, Sir Rudolph. Boy, I'm really sorry at that state because I know you need to open down and walk up and down. Boy, I'm really sorry, sir.
That's why I see me have to dedicate, can never give me a problem.
Yeah.
Always try to go help himself.
Yeah, that's important too. Somebody young boy then disrespect their mother and then this and that. If him did that do it,
I'm not business with him.
You know that the thing? All right, so we will talk again. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Rudolph?
sir.
Yeah, man. Blessed love, everybody.